Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove compatibility mode in Microsoft Excel. This process is quick and straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, open your Excel workbook, and then after that, click on the File tab at the very top left corner. Next, all you have to do is just simply scroll and select the options. Now this will open the option dialog box of Microsoft Excel. Now in the Excel option dialog box, click on the Save option from this list on the left. Then just simply look for the save files in this format. Click on the drop-down menu, then just simply click or choose Excel Workbook right over here. And then just simply click on OK, and that will save that file. Then once you have done that, again, go to File. This time, click on Info. And now just want to click on Check for Issue. Choose this small drop-down menu over here. Then click on Check Compatibility. And once a small pop-up window will open, make sure that this box is unchecked. And then once it is unchecked, click on OK. And after clicking on OK, you have to confirm your settings. So now go to your Save As settings, which you can go by clicking on File, Save As, and choose a location, let's say, for example, Desktop. Now over here, just want to ensure that your Save As type is set to Microsoft Excel Workbook, which is going to be by default XLSX, which you can see right over here. Click on it and then just choose Save, and that's it. Your file is now saved in the modern Excel format, and compatibility mode has been also turned off. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.